excited. See the dolphins?
Look at that guy go.
Yeah. It's too cool.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, here he is right here. Look at him. That guy, look at that guy. He's like right there and almost by the land. Oh man, I wish the water wasn't so cold. I would like go totally out there.
Oh, go out there.
No, it's cold.
You might actually have them come up to you then.
I don't know if they would. I know they're curious.
You'd be like, what the heck kind of dolphin is that?